So I've got my ground beef cooking, my rice is on. I used coconut oil to cook my jasmine rice with. This is really good quality rice. And now I'm going to chop up my peppers. You're gonna help mommy, right? Okay?
Okay.
Cheese? Yeah, mommy's taking your picture. Okay, so the rice is almost ready and the oven is warming up and the ground beef is cooking and the peppers are chopped. Except, oh honey, thank you, but we are, the sink is full. Look at what happened. My beautiful bowl like popped open. I gotta I need to repot my plant. So sad. But anyway. Oh, thank you, Erin. But these, we're not gonna use these. We're not gonna eat these ones. Mommy already cut them. But you know what? You can help me. Here. Here's the garlic. You can sprinkle the garlic on top. Go ahead, sprinkle the garlic on top. Like this. You go like this and you go shake, 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 shake. And you sprinkle the garlic. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
All right. Good job. Keep going. Yay! A little bit more. Yay! Thank you for helping me. All right, here's the salt. Tweet, tweet. Oh, yes. Tweet, tweet. And the salt. Okay, and next is the pepper. Here's the pepper. Okay, that's enough salt. Pepper. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Good job. Mommy's gonna turn it for you so you can put a little bit more pepper on that. All right, I gotta open up this marinara. The girls did not want the diced tomatoes, so we're not doing, ooh, turn my neck for a second, and this is what happens. Okay, mommy will hold the glass jar. Okay, all right, let me get this stuff together. Okay, go on and get up on the chair. You can use your little baby strainer.
No.
Come on up. Step up. He's gonna pretend to wash the vegetables. Here you go. Here's your vegetables. Okay. Ooh, what a good helper. You're doing a good job, baby. You like to help?
Yeah.
Thank you. So nice. Yeah. Oh, the oven's ready. Okay. Here, we're just gonna shake that extra water out. You want to eat one?
No.
No? Why not? They're yummy. Okay. All right, go ahead and get down. Here, hold my hand. There we go. Okay, listen, mommy's gonna kick you out of the kitchen now. Thank you so much for helping me. You can take these with you. And I have to deal with hot things now. So go on out. Thank you, Daddy, for making mommy this wonderful gate, even though he knows how to open it, but best thing ever. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting stuff ready. All right, so I drained my ground beef, I added in my marinara, and I poured over some rice, and then I have the peppers roasting in the oven, and now I'm gonna mix everything up, put this on top of the peppers, add some cheese, and walk away. Okay, so I decided to take the peppers out of the dish and put them in the cast iron skillet. And then just place the peppers on the top instead of having them on the bottom, and that way it's easier for the girls to pick the peppers out if they change their mind, decide they don't want to eat them. And then I'm just going to sprinkle this mozzarella on the top, and I have more mozzarella, a stick of like an 8-ounce block of mozzarella that I can add to this if I want to add more cheese, which I probably will. And then I'm going to stick that in the oven.
Well, now you
All
have
right,
to edit something.
real life cooking right here.
Wait, that looks good.
Of course it looks good. So
Yeah.
I made it. Let's get it.
Yeah, yeah.
Woo,
totally.
it's hot.
Oh yeah, I'm digging in. This one I'm gonna eat now. And this one I'm taking to work. Can you hold that, please?
Yep.
Thank you.
So like meat, cheese, and peppers. Yeah,
And rice
and rice.
and spaghetti sauce.
I won't eat peppers because I have.
Well, marinara.
I'm getting another pepper.
What'd you say, Jasmine?
I'm not gonna eat peppers because I actually ate one
Give me-
earlier and that was gross.
Oh, but it tastes better when they're cooked, honey. Cooked with
Yeah,
garlic
it's a little
and
different.
yumminess.
Alright, I'll try it.
So after my husband took what he needed for work, I put it back in the oven, and this is how it should look. Should be nice and brown on the top. That way you know that the peppers are actually cooked all the way through. Shane said that his peppers were not cooked all the way through. But on 400, which I can turn this off now, on 400 for 20 to 30 minutes. And Aaron had some too, and he loved it. Right, Aaron? And you wanted more?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. So I gave him regular rice, and I gave him some of the stuffed peppers, and he loved the stuffed peppers, and he wanted more.